The name implies Sacred Heart College Ijebu Ode 2024 Cultural Festival. The event was pure cultural exhibition, going by every event of the day, ranging from dressing, speeches, presentations, and displays, as guests and parents were entertained. The principal of the college, Reverend Father Jude Okurafo, while welcoming guests, described the day, which is the maiden edition in the history of the college, as the school's mandate to prevent culture, which is the pride and identity of the people, from going into extinction.
Sacred Heart Catholic College is a perfect embodiment of Catholic education. Today, once again, we are x-raying one of the aspects of our training. Because for us, intellectual training is only an aspect of our formation. Today we are promoting our cultural value. We began since this day, and today is the grand finale.
Tagged Nigeria Unveiled, exploring the essence of our identity, a brief history of some ethnic groups in Nigeria were also presented as a way of sustaining cultural heritage of various ethnic groups across the country.
Nigeria is a multi-nation state, as it is inhabited by over 250 ethnic groupings, of which the three largest are the Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. These ethnic groups speak over 500 different languages, have diverse cultures, and exhibit unique arts. Cultural diversity among these ethnic groups is seen in their food, dressing, languages, festivals, styles of building, and occupation.
Shortly after their dancing steps, parents and guests who were excited appealed to the school to sustain the temple.
Everybody understands that there are two different things. The culture is different, education is different. And they must also not be separated. They must be embedded. You must marry them. Because everybody has his cultural background. And here we are too, we have education.
What I've learned, I found that the school is one of the schools that is all embracing, educationally, culturally, and even in other areas.
The management of this school is working hard to recreate our culture, to be sure that our children are culture conscious, because if one loses his culture, he's lost his identity.
The event also witnessed presentation of Nigerian local dishes and installation of 7 individuals as chiefs of the college for the 2024 Cultural Festival in appreciation of their contribution to all ranks of development of the institution, and awards presented. Gifts awards were also presented to winners of various houses in the school who has excelled in different competitions earlier held during the process of the festival. Earlier, a mass was held where the students were admonished not to compromise standard of their school, but remain steadfast, as well be good ambassadors, as they will be embarking on the second term break soon. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandonu, NTA News.